So welcome students. So in this question you are given that a number of the form AB313AB is divisible by 12. If that is so, what is the least value of A plus B? So what is the concept here? So if a number is divisible by 12, it has to be divisible by 4 as well as 3. Because 12 is nothing but 4 into 3 and 4 and 3 does not have any common factors. So if a number is separately divisible by 4 and also separately divisible by 3, then the number will be divisible by 12. So now what are the corresponding conditions? We know the divisibility rules. So first let us try the divisibility rule with 3. So what is the divisibility rule with 3? The sum of the digits have to be divisible by 3. So if this number has to be divisible by 3, A plus B plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 is 7 plus A plus B has to be divisible by 3. It has to be 3 times some number. This implies 2 times A plus B plus 7 has to be divisible by 3. So 2 times A plus B plus 7 has to be divisible by 3. So in 7 I can write as 6 plus 1 and 6 can go on to that side, that's also a multiple of 3. So this effectively 2 times A plus B plus 1 has to be divisible by 3. So this is the condition. So now A plus B, A is a single digit number, B is a single digit number. So A plus B can go from, both cannot be zeros. So A plus B can go from 1 to 18. These are the numbers that A plus B can take, because if both are 9s, then it can go to 18. So let us see which of the following options are, good. So 2 times A plus B plus 1. So what can be the values of A plus B? A plus B can be equal to 1. So if A plus B is equal to 1, so 2 into 1 plus 1, 3. It's okay. So A plus B is equal to 2 is not okay, because 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5 is not okay. 2 times A plus B, 3. 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7 is not okay. 2 times 4, 2 into 4, 8 plus 1, 9 is okay. So A plus B is equal to 4. Similarly, 5 is not okay, 6 is not okay, 7 is okay. They'll have a difference of 3. So A plus B is equal to 10 is okay. A plus B is equal to 13 is okay. 13 into 2s are 26 plus 1 is 27 is okay. So A plus B is equal to 16 is okay. A plus B is equal to 19 is not okay, because it cannot be 19. So these are the options for A plus B. That is 1, 4, 7, 10, 13 and 16. Now this is the values of A plus B possible for the number to be divisible by 3. Now the number also has to be divisible by 4. So what is the divisibility rule for 4? The number found by last 2 digits have to be divisible by 4. So if AB has to be divisible by 4, so what are the options that AB has? So this number has to be divisible by 4. So AB can be starting with 0, 0, but 0, 0 is not a valid option, because if I put 0, 0, it becomes a 4-digit number. So let us skip 0, 0. So it can be after 0, 0 you have 0, 4, 0, 8, 1, 2, 1, 6, 2, 0, 2, 4, 2, 8, 3, 2, 3, 6, 4, 0, so on. These are the numbers which are possible for AB. Now as you can see, if the number has to be divisible by 3, this has to be the values of A plus B. If the number has to be divisible by 4, these have to be the values of A and B. So is there a common value? So A plus B is equal to 1. Is there a number which satisfies A plus B is equal to 1? So you can very clearly see that there is no number whose sum is equal to 1, because if AB is equal to 1, A plus B is equal to 1, the number has to be either 1, 0 or 0, 1. None of them are divisible by 4. So A plus B is equal to 1. You don't have any common option. If A plus B is equal to 1, the number may be divisible by 3, but it will not be divisible by 4. So this is not valid. So is there a number where A plus B is equal to 4? You can check. So you have a number 40. or 0, 4. So if you take this option, a plus b is equal to 4. So a plus b is equal to 4 if the number is 4, 0 or 0, 4. That is 4, 0, 3, 1, 3, 4, 0. This number is divisible by 4 as well as 3. So the least possible a plus b is equal to 4. Thank you.